What's the secret ingredient that takes jambalaya from classic to unforgettable? Fresh Ontario peaches. You are going to love this summer peach jambalaya. Hi, welcome to Cooking with Cori. I'm your host, Chef Cori Doern, and I also happen to be a proud media spokesperson for Foodland Ontario. And you are going to want to write this recipe down or head on over to foodlandontario.ca because this recipe is so fast, so delicious, I'm going to get going right away. We're making summer peach jambalaya with peaches. I've got some lovely Ontario rainbow trout, of course some spring onion, which is from Ontario as well. Pre-made rice, I've got Ontario tomatoes, Ontario peppers, some pepperoni, and away we go. First thing I'm gonna do is get my burner going. You can use a large saute pan. In this case, I'm gonna use a pot because I know just how much I'm making to feed the crew here. I'm gonna start by pouring in some chicken stock into my pot, which is gonna heat up very, very, very quickly. And to that, I'm gonna add my spices. I've got oregano or oregano. I've got some cayenne pepper. I have some lovely thyme. And of course, I've got garlic, because you can't go wrong with Ontario garlic. And now this is where it comes to being up to you. I'm gonna add some hot sauce. And you can add a little or you can add a lot. I'm gonna go for a lot because I love it. And I'm gonna bring this up to a boil as quickly as I possibly can. And you are too at home. And I'm just gonna tell you, it smells awesome in here already. This is how fast this comes together. Soon as this comes to the boil, which you can see it's already doing right now, I'm gonna add my Ontario peppers. I'm gonna add my beautiful diced Ontario tomatoes, some lovely diced pepperoni, and of course some rice. And this rice is long grain and I've already cooked it. So this is gonna come together super duper fast. In fact, I'm gonna keep this bowl for as I continue making this. Here we go. And all I'm gonna do is incorporate it. When you are looking at foodlandontario.ca and you're checking out seasonal, I should say, recipes, this is one of those that comes together in like 15 minutes. And it's super duper tasty. It's filled with, oh my gosh, I wish you could smell this because my goodness, it smells awesome. And now that that has come to a boil, usually takes about 3 minutes for it to come together, I'm gonna add my beautiful Ontario rainbow trout and then just fold it in. And this is gonna take, I'm gonna say about 3 minutes for it to come together. I'm just gonna put a lid on it because you just don't wanna overcook it, but this is gonna cook super duper fast. I'm gonna see in 3 minutes, but it's gonna seem a lot quicker. That was the fastest 3 minutes of my life. Look at how beautiful that rainbow trout is. Everything has come together so beautifully. Now I'm gonna add my beautiful Ontario peaches, which is the secret ingredient, which is not really a secret because my goodness, it's gorgeous. There we go. And I'm gonna put in some of my Ontario green onion to bring it all together. And really, this season is really the best of Ontario. I can't imagine a meal not embracing all the wonderful, yummy things that we have right now at our fingertips. And now, I'm gonna put my beautiful jambalaya that's ready to go. And yes, it did take just that long to make. The smells are incredible. Just gorgeous. The trout, the peaches, the tomatoes, the scallions, everything is just so fresh and of course comes together just so beautifully. And if you want to impress your guests, just add a little bit of beautiful peach on the top and enjoy.